only 12.7 million Kenya shillings, you get to buy a 3-bedroom plus DSQ apartment here at Mango Tree. One of the advantages of buying an apartment with the DSQ is the fact that you get to have an extra en-suite bedroom which is detached from the main house and is suitable for hosting highly esteemed guests who normally need maximum privacy, like mother-in-law or even a father-in-law. Besides, a DSQ generally serves as a guest room and offers more space to accommodate your visitors, friends, and family. As you can see, the room is well lit, ventilation is good, and you don't need to rely on electricity during the day. The living room is spacious and beautiful. The bedrooms are equally spacious and well arranged, and the master is en suite to offer perfect privacy that you need while in the house. The 3-bedroom units here at Mango Tree are purely residential and offer very comfortable living. Alternatively, you can buy and rent out as an unfurnished unit and enjoy the rental income. The amenities here will include backup generator, kids play area, shopping center, high-speed lift, recreational area, and gym and swimming pool. Let's take a tour and see. So we are again here at Mango Tree in Syokimau. This is a 3-bedroom show house by Mango Tree Apartments. The construction is in progress, and the 3-bedroom units are on sale for Kenya shillings 12.7 million. You don't need to have the cash. You don't need to have the full amount. All you need to do is to put in 10%, and then the rest is paid in installments for up to 24 months. That is within 2 years. This is the 3-bedroom here. Let's have a look from the door. As you know, the doors are, you can either use the key, you can use the password, or you can use the code to gain access. And then when you are at the door, now you have that beautiful cabinet there. You can keep in other items, your books and all that. And then now there is the dining area. As you can see, the space is large enough. The unit is very beautiful. There's the dining table, but these ones we have how many seats? 1, 2, 3, 4. But even if you have that large table where we have dining table where we have how many seats? Let's say even 5 or 6. Still, the space is large enough to accommodate all that. And then you have this beautiful piece of art here. And then this is now the provision for your kitchen. This is where the kitchen will be. And when you are at the kitchen, now you have access to the laundry area. The kitchen is just next to the dining area. Mostly this is what we call contemporary. Although it is not open kitchen, because somebody in the sitting room will not see you cooking. But when you are at the dining, of course, through the transparent glass door, you can have a glimpse of whatever is happening in the kitchen. And then now in the kitchen, you have access to the laundry area, and the unit is just beautiful. You can see there's a lot of space in the unit. By the way, this is 124 square meters, so you can just imagine how spacious this room is. Let's now have a look at the sitting room area. Now this is the position for your sitting. The couch that have been used here. This is how many? Almost an L-shape rather, with this beautiful 1-seater coach here. This is a 5-seater coach with a large carpet, and you have your table right there. Now this is where you will mount your TV. This piece of art now represents what would then be the TV space. If it is 55 inches or even 75 inches, the space is still large enough to accommodate that. With then now you have your beautiful tripods here, and then you have the TV stand right here. The space is good. One beautiful thing about this unit, just like the rest of the ones we have seen, is the access to the balcony. And as you know, most people prefer units with balcony areas. It is just good that when you are in the sitting room or when you are in the unit, you can have an open environment where you can just relax and enjoy the warmth of the air above. So, and the lighting is everywhere. Even when you are at the balcony, you can just see there is a just on the ceiling there is the lighting right there. So sometimes even in the evening you want to enjoy with your friends, you can call your guest and just enjoy at the balcony area because the lighting and the security in this area is proper. There is the electric fencing that has been used by the developer, and even in the other developments we have done, the security is tight. In Syokimau general, the security is top notch. The living area is very spacious. You can see you have your socket areas everywhere. You have socket right at the farthest corner. You still have socket right here, so you can charge your phone from everywhere. From the TV area, you can charge your phone. This other side, you can charge your phone. And then there's provision here. This is you can put your water dispenser or even shoe rack or any other items that you might want to fit in that particular space. And as you can see, to access the bedroom area, bedroom area now is a little bit distant. There is a gap. When you are in the sitting room area, you have to go through the corridor, the spacious corridor, to now access the bedroom area. So I also want us to look at the bedroom area and see how spacious they are, how beautiful they are. Now, there is the shared washroom area when you are still at the corridor. As you can see, it comes with these amazing, beautiful doors, and there is the cubicle area, glass cubicle area to separate the shower area and the toilet area so that there's no water spillage to either side. To this side when using the unit, and it comes also comes with the mirror and the place where you can just put your soap and other detergents when using the room, plus the window to let in more light and even for aeration. So I think the space is good enough. Look at the tiling that has been used. It is just beautiful. The place is wonderful. And the distance to the living room is just good. So this is the washroom. This is the washroom area. It is shared by the users of this, by the bedroom and even the guests in the sitting room. So let's say you have left the washroom area. Now you are coming to one of the bedrooms. You can just see the how spacious it is. This is a 5 by 6 bed, 4 pillowcases. It is just amazing. The one thing I like about this unit is, apart from the painting work, is just the space itself. You know, the space is good. So sometimes you are visited by many guests, or you are hosting people, or you are having a party, or you are hosting a ceremony in your unit, in your apartment. So that means you will need more space where people can spend the night, and this unit will provide that. If this is a 5 by 6 bed, how many more beds of such can fit in? You can have comfortably fit in two 5 by 6 beds in this room, in this bedroom, and still be left with a lot of space for more other things. Just have a look. You have the beautiful bedside cabinetry beside the bed everywhere to this side, and then it comes to the socket area. Come to the other side, and you have the beautiful piece of art here. And then the unit now comes with a large window. Let's open the window and see. This one now gives you the view to the outside, and behind that is now where the construction is happening. Remember, this is a show house. So before we look at the master in suite, let's also have a look at the other bedroom. You can see just similar to the other one. The space is good. You can see there's a bedside cabinet is right there, bedside table rather. And to this side also with this beautiful watch here, just to tell you over the time, and also you can set your alarm, and then you have the socket area, and this beautiful piece of art here. This is also a 5 by 6 bed with 4 pillowcases and still more space left, and wooden tiling has been used in this room just like the other one. It also comes with large windows, as you can see, to give you access to what is happening outside. And the sockets are everywhere. The unit is good. The door, as usual, this is hardwood mahogany door. The door is just beautiful, you can see. And the room is good. You have then now we come to the master itself, the master bedroom. This is now where you will be spending most of your time. As you know, the bedroom area, that is where the decisions are made. The unit is good, spacious and beautiful, as you can see. This one with the bedside tables have not been fitted, but there's space for that. You can just fit in the bedside stands right here, right there, and then you're still left in more space Here, the sockets are able, you can charge your phone here, charge your phone there. The unit is just amazingly beautiful. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this developer, what they are doing here. Do you like their work? In comparison to where you are staying or where you bought a unit. What can you say? What do you make of this unit? Let's see on the comment section. And if you want to secure this unit, this one is available at only 12.7 units. This is a show house, but similar units available at 12.7 million Kenya shillings. All you need to do is to pay a deposit of 10%, and then the rest is spread within the construction period. That is up to 24 months. But the price is also not cast on stone. If you're a serious customer, you just get to the developer, meet with the team there, and they will advise on the way forward. They might even give you a very nice discount just to motivate you to buy. And this is a unit that you can use for several activities. You can buy for your kids. You can as well buy it and live here. And it comes with a DSQ, but for this case, the DSQ is still a work in progress. The three-bedroom come with the DSQ at 12.7 million Kenya shillings only. That is all you need to know about this unit. As usual, subscribe to the channel so that every time we do a video, you get automatic notification by YouTube, and you get to see the beautiful showcasing of apartments that we do every day. Thank you very much. Subscribe. My name is Bob. Until next time. Bye bye.